Indian company working as an intern. Today I am talking about corporate social responsibility. It means the responsibility taken by the companies or the corporates towards the betterment of the society. Companies undertake these activities for the upgradation in the lives of the people. A large number of activities are taken up, for example, to promote education in the society, to organize programs, decide to promote healthcare sanitization, to organize seminars, programs, setting up of orphanages, to contribute during the times of natural calamities like earthquakes and droughts. According to Section 135 of the Companies Act, every company, including its holding or subsidiary, whose net worth is 500 crore or more, or is having a turnover of rupees 1000 crore or more, or whose net profit is rupees 5 crore or more during the immediately preceding final year, have to contribute towards CSR activities mandatorily. Roles played by the CSR committee: to plan and approve CSR strategies, to allocate the budget for CSR activities, to assess the performance of CSR policy of the company, monitor the implementation of CSR projects, to ensure that at least 2% of the average profits of the company made during 3 immediately preceding financial years are spent in these activities. Examples of CSR: the Tata Group in India has undertaken various CSR projects for community improvement, poverty elevation, agricultural programs. UltraTech Cement Company is involved in social work. ITC Group has been focusing on creating sustainable livelihoods and environmental protection programs. Mahindra and Mahindra is primarily focusing on education programs. The underlying principles are of accountability, transparency, responsibility of stakeholder interest, respect for the rule of law, and respect for the human rights.